Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Captain Mumbua, your favorite freelance hairdresser, coming to you with another beautiful braid tutorial. If you're new here, karibu sana, and if you've been riding with me, thank you for the love and support always. So on this day, I was actually waiting for my client at her place. She had gone to get her hair washed and blow dry at a nearby salon. I always advise my clients to wash and blow dry their hair before we start any braid service. It really helps with smooth sectioning and makes the entire braiding process easier and neater. Clean hair gives the best results. So while waiting, I made sure everything was ready. My combs, braiding hair, edge control, and a little oil for shine at the end. Because once the client arrives, you get ready for the work. When she came back, her hair was nicely blow dry, which made my work even smoother. The first step was parting. I always take my time with this. I believe that neat parting is the foundation of a clean and beautiful braid style. I used my pink tail comb and did a sectioning at the back to create that trending fresh look.
You came like a whisper in the middle of my storm. Hearts don't knock twice, but yours felt warm. I never asked for angels, but I found you still, like a dream I touched on a windowsill. Every time you breathe, I fall again. Even silence speaks your name.
After sectioning, I started the braiding process. For this look, we chose black braiding hair mixed with burgundy red. I love adding just a pop of color to give the braids more personality. Burgundy is such a rich tone, not too loud, but still gives that stylish flair. I used pre-stretched braiding hair, which gives a more natural fall and saves time when working. Since I already began with the burgundy red first at the bottom, as you can see that in the beginning of this video, like on the process of starting braiding, I already started with the burgundy red first. So at the second line where I sectioned, I decided to keep black braiding, like to be combined and mixed a bit well. But the burgundy red, we didn't choose it too much so that it can not look like it's flashy, but somehow nicely and attractive.
Don't fade like the sky. Love me like we'll never say goodbye. If forever's too long, then kiss me a while. Even if we fall, I'll die with a smile. You pull me closer without a word. Your touch says what I've never heard. So stay in my eyes. Don't fade like the sky. Don't blink away, just hold me tight. I'll trade my tomorrows for this little while. Even if love ends, I'll die with a smile. You came like a whisper in the middle of my storm. Hearts don't knock twice, but yours felt warm. I never asked for angels, but I found you still, like a dream I touched on a windowsill. Every time you breathe, I fall again. Even silence speaks your name. So stay in my eyes. Don't fade like the sky. Love me like we'll never say goodbye.
While I was braiding, the environment was so peaceful. I love those days when I'm working in a quiet space. It really helps me connect with the style, focus on neatness, and enjoy the creative process. One of the best things about being a freelance hairdresser is bringing comfort to my clients in their own spaces. No rush, no crowd, just a good vibes and a great hair. So as I continued, I made sure to tuck in her natural hair perfectly to protect it. I braid with firm but gentle tension, not too tight because you don't want to damage the scalp or edges. The goal is always beauty and protection combined.
Cruising slow through the silent streets, city lights like a movie scene. One hand on the wheel, the other on me. Whispers flow like a summer breeze. Your leather jacket, the midnight air. Heartbeat sinking like we don't care. Every red light just feels too long. When I'm with you, nothing feels off. I just wanna ride with you, babe, through the dark where the wild hearts play. Moon above and the world fades away. Love so loud, but we don't need to say. I just wanna ride with you, babe. Engine hums like we're in a dream state. You and me in this twilight parade. No destination, just ride, just stay. Neon signs blur into stars. Your laugh echoes inside my heart. Rear view mirror shows where we've been, but tonight feels like it's never. I just wanna ride with you, babe, through the dark where the wild hearts play. Moon above and the world fades away. Love so loud, but we don't need to say. I just wanna ride with you, babe. Engine hums like we're in a dream state. You and me in this twilight parade. No destination, just ride, just stay. And we don't talk too much, just your hand, just your touch. This road is ours tonight. Let the sky be our guide. I ride with you through the quiet and the blue. Just ride with you like the stars told us to.
Once all the braids were in, I checked for any loose or frizzy pieces and trimmed them carefully. Usually some people dip the ends in hot water to finish, but for this style, we decided to leave the ends straight and natural. This gives the braids a long, flowy feel, very free and flexible. It also adds that soft touch, especially with a mix of burgundy at the tips. And here is the final result. Clean, bold, and absolutely stunning. The burgundy highlights really pop in natural light, and the flow of the braids is just everything. This style is perfect for someone who wants to look stylish but still keep it low maintenance. You may also wonder why at the end of this video it's dark and at the beginning of the video it was light. Actually, we began this work very late, like almost 6 p.m. and that's why at least we took like 1 hour 30 minutes to do this work. So it was around like 7 p.m. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed every step of the process. If you're in Kenya and looking for a freelance hairdresser who brings the salon to you, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. See you on the next videos.
Slow through the silent streets, city lights like a movie scene. One hand on the wheel, the other on me. Whispers flow like a summer